So this is a crab here. Look at this crab. This is my pet crab here. It's a river crab. And this is Class here. Say hi, Class. Class the one is shy. He's kind of sleepy, so because I gave him some worms. These are my fishes. Oh my god. These fishes, they are very ferocious. Hey little guy. Hey, are you hungry? Hungry? They are not hungry. They are completely full. And a blue lobster. I think that's a male lobster there. And this is a female lobster. Guys, and this is RuiTV. I am Ray. So, look what we have here. We have these flowers. These flowers can actually make like blue color rice and also like a type of like herbal tea. And you wanna see what's in here? Let's show you what is my baby. My huge worm here. Oh! This is one of the small ones. This is a huge, humongous one. This is the largest one I ever caught. This is a very healthy earthworm here. You ever can see this is not like the largest earthworm. Yeah. Also, if you cut them into half, they can still be alive because they can go back to their body. The most cool thing of earthworm is they need to breathe like other insects, not like other insects. Other insects they breathe from their legs. These earthworms they breathe from their head. And the most common thing to know is earthworms have two ways to move. There's two ways of an earthworm to move. One is this part and one is this part. This is the head here and this is the tail. The tail also can move with no mouth. It needs to escape with its tail sometimes. It goes backwards. So this is my little like worm thing. And let's meet a worm visitor. So we have a very mini snail here. Ew! It has a lot of mucus on me right now. Yeah, I'm having a lot of mucus. Ew! Snail, they love pooping. Yeah, this is how long a snail can reach. Let's put them on this leaf. And then we got somebody here. Somebody here, a beetle. He's very fast. This beetle can't fly at all. It's kind of cute, right? Comment down below what creature you like the most. If you are a girl, don't just simply comment what creature you like. Because these are creepy crawlers. I love insects, yeah. And I have a bee house. Come on, let's go to look for some like bees. This house has a bee house to make honey. So come on, let's go. I hope we can catch a lizard for accident. I hope there's like 100 of them. There's like snakes over here and iguanas. Iguanas eat the papaya up there. There's a papaya up there. Yeah, there's some papayas up there. Yeah. Look at the papayas. The papayas. Usually the iguanas love to go there and eat things. Their snack is right there. These are iguana snacks there. There's a huge mountain behind. Yeah. Look at that huge mountain up there. So now let's go keep walking to the bee farm. It's like the beehive is inside the wood. The beehive is right inside the wood, and then there's a queen bee that never comes out. I don't know where are the bees, but there may be somewhere that side. Yeah, there may be somewhere. Yeah. So come on, let's just go. It's kind of hot up here. Yeah. Come on, let's go to the beehive. So the beehive over here is right here. Look at the bees. Look at the bees. Look at the bees there. So these are the bees over here. These are the bee. This is the beehive here. This beehive has bees that never sting people. This is kind of cool. Yeah, bees have pollens. Wow. I did not see them two pollens. No. Those are bees. Where the bees from? Like the Roblox Bee Swamp Simulator. Bee Swamp Simulator. Like this is the hive, and then like I'm the player. This is so fun. Like Roblox Bee Swamp Simulator. There are so many bees over here. That's like 100 over bees right here. Living in the woods. And sometimes when people try to something mess with them, no, it's not stinging only. They will not simply sting people. Like these like bumblebees or like these other bees. They love to sting people. Yeah, so come on. Who want to see the red colony? I don't know, is the red colony still here? Yeah, the red colony is a wild colony of ants. Yeah, it's a wild colony of ants. It's like huge red color ants. I don't know where did these red colonies go. So we are going to place this little worm into the crab's area. Class. I know you like worms. Come on. Let's see this epic battle into the water. Worm, yes, crab. Okay, you can see right now Klaus will just pinch on the worm. Look at that. The worm has been pinched on with Klaus. Look at that worm there. The earthworm is going to get killed by him any minute. So, ow. Oh, no. That's why he did pinch a parts of the earthworm. Oh, he's attacking. Oh, look at that. Look at this worm here. Let's place this worm back into, let's place Klaus back into his hole. Oh my god. The worm is not even doing anything. He's not even doing anything to the worm. I don't know about this. Klaus loves eating worms. Yeah. Yo, this is gonna be an epic battlefield. Oh, yo, he just ripped the worm. Yo, now he's eating it. Oh my god. Can you see it? Zoom in. Look at that crab there. He is eating the worm. Comment down below if you can see the worm, the Klaus eating the worm. He loves it a lot. He ate one part of the worm. There's another part is on his hand, on his other claw. Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at that. He's moving now. Look at that. Yo, this crab here. He just got the other part on his hand. The other part of the worm is on his hand. Yo. The other part is on his other hand. Yo, that thing is a very strong little crab. There's another crab I have, but he loves to eat big worms only. I gave a small worm to him. This little crab here, he is very strong while pinching. Yeah. Up. Now he latched off the worm already. I found the worm. Let me see if the worm's still there. It's still alive? Okay, then another part. This small head part here of the worm is still alive actually. It's still alive, and let's just release this part and let it go back. So let's release it at this plant right here. So let it go back. I think worms love dirt more, so bye little guys. Oh my god, the epic battle just become finished. Crab wins the worm. Crab wins a worm. Oh my god. Yo, this thing just killed a baby earthworm. He's a turtle. Oh my god. That was the most epic thing. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy the epic insect video. Yes!